Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Emeryville local and long-distance movers near me. Using our long-distance movers, you get the professional services you require for a much simpler move. Hiring our team to assist you means your cross-country move is going to go without problems. Moving isn't simple, but using the best moving services can certainly make things so much easier. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our experts also offer lots of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always simple to rationalize the price when choosing a California moving company. A local moving company delivers many benefits which can make it well worth the cost. A reliable moving company can help you save time, no matter how far you're going. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. When you work with our movers, you get experts ready to make your local move extremely simple. With a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a streamlined move. Moving locally can be very quick, and our crew can handle even a huge move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Emeryville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.